how you can reset your password to your Adobe account. First thing you want to do is open any web browser you have available and then search for Adobe Sign In. And if you search for it, it will directly take you to the Sign In center of Adobe. You just have to open this link. And here you can get an option to sign in right here at the top right corner. Click on it. It will redirect you to the sign-in portal of Adobe. Now, first thing, you have to provide your email address right here. And once you provide your email address, just click on Continue. Now it will ask you for your password. But if you don't know your password, in order to reset, you have to click on this Reset Your Password. And it will send a verification code on your email. So I'm just going to check my email real quick. As you guys can see, Adobe has sent me an email right here and the verification code right here. Now I'm just going to paste the code on this area. And as you can see, the verification now is successful. So you can easily set up a new password, then repeat your password. Make sure that you include different symbols and characters, also numbers, to make your password strong. But also make sure that in the process you create something that you can remember. And if you do all of those steps, then you can just hit on Update Password and your password should be updated, and you can easily log into your account using the new password. And that's how you recover your password on Adobe. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification for future updates. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.